Hi friends, this is Avinash, and today we are going to discuss how to get into embedded software jobs. Skills needed for embedded software jobs are embedded C, microcontrollers, and Linux. Out of these, embedded C and microcontrollers are the basic skills needed. Skills like embedded C have to be learned properly in theoretical domain. Then fundamentals of C programming should be clear. Then microcontroller architecture is a must, and you should have at least good knowledge of one microcontroller architecture. More than one architecture knowledge is a plus point. For learning Linux, fundamentals of Linux are a must. Kernel programming knowledge is a plus, and device driver knowledge is required in bigger MNCs for getting job there. Must have worked on embedded related projects. During your college internship, work on embedded projects if you do not get chance to work on professional projects. I will recommend courses from professionals for about topics. You can purchase our course on Udemy, available at affordable price. It have a rating of over 4.1 out of 5. It is beginner course on STM32, which is ARM Cortex-M microcontroller. How to learn C? Learn C concepts from basics. Pick a online compiler and start practicing. There is no shortcut. Practice makes man perfect. How to learn microcontrollers? Learn any microcontroller architecture and programming basics. After getting expert in one microcontroller, switch to another microcontroller. Practice them by doing hands-on projects. Hands-on experience is totally different from theoretical knowledge. If you are unable to find an internship or job in embedded, try to get microcontroller boards and start practicing on them. It will be helpful in your embedded journey. Try to implement your C knowledge instead of learning theory again and again by making C programs. Take help from mentor in creating final year projects. Make impressive resume and post on job portals. This is for out of campus placements. If you got a chance for on campus placement, it is very great opportunity for you. Prepare for interview by practicing above skills and your projects. This was all for this video. Thank you and have a nice day.